Hi, my name is Wendy Brown, and I'm one of the librarians at the Massachusetts Medical Society, and I have a quick tutorial for you about how to find the full text of articles that you need through the BML branch at the MMS library in Waltham. So you can do it all online now. You can do all your ordering if there's a particular article that you need online through our document delivery system of our library webpage. So I'm going to show you how to get to our library webpage and how to place an order. So the first thing you need to do is pull up the Massachusetts Medical Society page. And if you don't already have it bookmarked, you can put it into Google as Massachusetts Medical Society Library and do that search. It should come up as one of the first results, the MMS Society Boston Medical Library link. If that doesn't work, a quick URL for it is also www.massmed.org/library. So once we have that page pulled up, right on the front of the page, it showcases some of the most important services that we have here that are requested a lot, including request a book or article, which we're going to talk about today. Other things include browsing the library catalog, more information about our collections and resources, and then our educational and reference services. So let's take a look at request a book or catalog and go ahead and click that link. So document delivery for MMS members and staff is provided through the Countway Library of Medicine at the Harvard Medical School. So you're going to see that we've sort of jumped outside of the MMS page here and are now at a Countway Library of Medicine page. So the Countway Library Interlibrary Loan Department actually provides scans of articles and book chapters and actual physical books that are not found in the BML branch in Waltham to MMS members who do not have a Harvard ID. All requests are taken online through the Countway Doc Interlibrary Loan System, and you just need to create a username and password to log into the Countway Doc Interlibrary Loan and Document Delivery System, and you can order 24/7. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. There's information about who's eligible for fees and billing and instructions for ordering. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do most of those things that is also all typed up on this page, just in case you need a reminder. So let's go ahead and click on Countway Doc. And let's log in as a first-time user. Click here to register. So first-time users do have a bit of information to read. Basically, again, you're going to need to create a username and password that you'll have to remember. There's also information about copyright here. So you just have to sort of read through that and click first-time users, click here. So we're going to go ahead and fill out a first-time user registration. So we do need your name, your MMS ID, your preferred email notification method. We do prefer to send emails as opposed to phone. Your email address. Your phone number. And everything else that's starred. So the address that you can put here is actually the address of the library, which is 860 Winter Street, just MassMed headquarters. And it would be great if you could choose a status. So if you're a member or staff, and I am MMS staff, and if you're MMS or also affiliated with another department, you can choose that as well. And you can go ahead and choose a username. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this as a username and my password and submit the information. When you submit that information, you get to sort of the main page for the Countway Library of Medicine Interlibrary Loan Borrowing Department. There's one other thing you do need to do here. So it does cost 4 articles if you order more than 10 a year. So 10 are free per year, 10 articles, books, or book chapters, because MMS will pay for them. But if you do order more than 10 in a fiscal year, you will get charged $5 per item. So we do need to hold on to a billing account here. And what we suggest is actually to select invoice, and then the invoices all come to Emily Bell and I here at the library, and we take a look and see what the charges are, and then we'll send them along to you. So all you have to do here is go ahead and click on invoice. You don't have to enter a 33-digit billing code or anything like that. This service is just also used for other Harvard ID holders, so that information is not relevant to MMS members. So invoice NAR, and it definitely says right here for affiliated hospital users and MMS and BMM members. Just go ahead and click invoice AR. And then go ahead and hit add account. And it looks like nothing has changed, but what has happened is that right up here under your current accounts is now an invoice account that's sitting there to be used if it needs to be. So at this point, you can actually move to the main menu on the left-hand side here. So this is the main menu that you see every time that you log into your Countway Doc account to place an article or book chapter request. So from here, you can click on New Request. Say we are looking for a journal article that we took a look for in PubMed, but now we want the full text of. So if you want the full text of an article and it's not available in an open access journal, this is where you'd order it. So you'd click on Article Request, put in all the information that you have for this article. The more citation information, the better, because it really helps our interlibrary loan staff out. If you have the PubMed ID number, which is listed here as the PMID number, it really helps them out and speeds up processing significantly. Year and pages are necessary, as well as article author and title. Try your best if you don't already know it. For type of billing account, you'll always just have the sort of blank dash in there, and that's fine. And then you can go ahead and hit submit request, and it'll automatically go into your account, and you'll get an email when the article is ready for you, and you'll be able to log back in to the Countway Library of Medicine page, back to the main menu, and you'll see that your request is finished up here when it has finished after you get an email. And you can go to your view and download electronically received articles, and a PDF will be waiting there for you of the scanned article that you requested. If you're interested in ordering a book, it's the same form, very, very similar, with information. And then if you could just put a note with this item, whether or not you want it to be held in Waltham or at the Countway Library in Boston, and we'll know where to hold that particular book for you. And you'll again get an email that the book is ready for you when it's ready. So I hope that this helps you find the articles and books that you need to finish your research, and we hope that you start using it soon. If you have any questions, never hesitate to call.